Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Brittany. Happy New Year. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget that little notification bell because it lets you know when I upload. But for today's video, we're kicking it off with this tutorial using 3 shades from the Vida palette from Milk Cosmetics, and it is this little cool toned eye makeup look with a little pop of Fortuna eyeliner as well from Milk Cosmetics. So you'll be seeing all of that in this tutorial. But Happy New Year. It feels so good to be back, and I'm gonna stop rambling because I know you want to see this makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this, then just go ahead and please keep watching. We're gonna prep with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm in the shade Sand, this guy right here, and we're just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna go with the Vida palette from Milk Cosmetics. We are going to start with the shade called Atoll, which is this one right here. There's nothing, it's like a very light shade. Not much comes out on my eyelid at least. But we're gonna add that all over the transition shade. I'm just going to basically build up this color because this is a little bit, it kind of looks like my skin tone, just slightly with a little bit of a gray undertone. Agua Ardiente. Okay, Agua Ardiente, so it's the next shade next to it. So that one right here. We're gonna put that on the crease color as well, kind of like layering on. We use the same brush that we used earlier as well. We're gonna go on top of the, what is it, Atoll color, and we're gonna basically pat this right on top. I'm basically building up colors. That's honestly what I'm doing. This has a little bit of a green hue to it as well. I'm gonna get a fluffier brush like this. This is BH Cosmetics brush that kind of already rubbed away, but I'm just gonna basically diffuse everything together. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Atoll color and then spread that right all over the lid. Kind of give us a little lighter. Now we're gonna go in with this shade called Chocolate, which is this super deep chocolate brown color, and we're gonna add that. Okay, we're gonna add the darker color right on the outer corner. Just gonna bring everything together. Just kind of like get it a little more intensified. Just right on the outerness, because we already have buildup of the other colors. So we're just gonna add this right on the outside. And then we're gonna add a little bit more of Atoll on the lid, just so we can see the eye. Now for the fun part, we're gonna use the Fortuna eyeliner, which is gorgeous. Very, very beautiful, like emerald green color. We're gonna start from the outside, and I'm gonna look down into my mirror. Gonna do a little outline for there, and we're gonna flick it inside. This eyeliner is really creamy at first, but then after it dries super matte. For foundation today, I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm in the shade 310. I just put some on right now. I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. I'm going to use the same Too Faced Born This Way concealer on my under eyes. Again, I'm in the shade Sand. I really like this. For powder, I'm going to use the Patrick Star powder. Just melting that right on the under eye and the smile line. For highlighter, I have two. I have Milk Cosmetics Gold Ore and Illumniacion as a blush topper. Just wanted to use that because I haven't used that personally. So we're going to use Gold Ore first. This is such a beautiful highlighter. It is a digital dust highlighter, and from what I remember, Laura and Dana were saying how this is like a skin-like finish, like it looks wet. Also, for bronzer, I have my Milani bronzer. This is like my favorite. Can't get away from it. I love it. I still have not had pan, which I'm completely shocked because I was like, I've been using this so much that I use it all year. Now we're going to go in with the Illuminacion and then put that as a blush topper. I'm actually going to use this brush here. So pretty, so pretty. As a highlighter, it's a little too pink for my personal preference, but if I mix it in like a blush, then it's fine. I'm going to go back with the Vida palette and do my under eyes. I'm going to use the same chocolate color, which is that really dark brown color on my lower lash line. We are back with my hair straightened, at least. I put on these Koko lashes. Okay, I'm gonna use Milk Cosmetics Hex lip liner. So we're gonna use Milk Cosmetics Dreamboy. Gonna finish off with some Morphe setting spray. So that is the end of this makeup tutorial that I have been really liking for the past couple of months from the Vida palette from Milk Cosmetics. I hope you learned something new today, and that is it. That's all I have to share with you. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of this video. For more makeup tutorials, go ahead and give me a little thumbs up. It lets me know that you want more tutorials, and I will catch you in the next one. Toodles!